What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing or unpackaging to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I believe this package was sent to me by a gentleman who contacted me on Instagram asking. Of course, I made the same mistake with these insulation packages before. Let's try and save myself from getting this going everywhere. But he contacted me and said, would you like to take a look at this? And I said, yes. Excuse me one sec, guys. Okay, so what we have here is a DPX gear knife. Let's go ahead and get into this box. Very interested to finally take a look at one of these. Initially I did not understand what he was talking about, and then it hit me like a ton of bricks all at once. Yeah. Go. Cool. This is I like this way more than I thought I would right off the bat. I don't know why, but for whatever reason in my head, this was not nearly as big of a knife. And maybe I need to go through and understand their product line and you know, everything that they have available. This is interesting. That is a thick blade. Wow. That looks like 187 thousandths to me. So we have G10 on this side, and it looks like we've got titanium on this side. No lock bar insert, but it does have the overture open and locked. Interesting. So now it won't. Oh, okay. So this locks it in place. Interesting. So the lock bar stabilizer disc will actually lock the titanium frame lock in place so that you can't extend it, and then to unlock it you move it. Okay, interesting. Can I do the reverse flick? Yes, I can, definitely. I feel like this is a bottle opener. Is that the case? I don't know. That's what it looks like to me. Interesting. I can't wait to take a look at this more in depth. As usual, I'm going to play with it for a little bit before I give my thoughts, but as far as this unboxing goes, that's going to be pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or at least found it entertaining, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.